Hey everyone, welcome back to Jntu's concepts. So in this video we are going to discuss four topics. These are small ones, so I'll be covering four of them in a single video. So the topics are ethics, morale, delegation and accountability. So before starting these topics, if you are new to Jntu's concepts, in this channel we will be covering all the Jntu subjects that are important for your university exams and semester exams. So these subjects particularly come under JNTU universities like JNTUA, JNTUK, JNTUH. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, do like this video, and without any late, let's get into our today's topics. So the first topic of this video is ethics. It refers to a set of moral principles and values that guide a person's character to help in decision making. In construction companies, ethics help to ensure a long-term credibility and legal safety. It means being honest in measurements, billings, reports, etc. Following safety rules and legal standards. Avoiding corruption, bribery, favoritism. Respect to clients, workers, and working environments. All these ethics can benefit in area like it builds trust and credibility. It ensures quality and safety, prevents legal issues, improves professional reputation. So good example for ethics is an engineer with good ethics reports actual concrete quality instead of an inflated measurement. So that is about ethics. All these four topics, ethics, morale, delegation and accountability, are small topics. These are usually asked for 2 marks or combinedly asked for 8 marks or 4 marks. So the second topic of this video is morale or morals. It refers to mental and emotional state, confidence, enthusiasm, willingness of an individuals or a team to perform their work. In construction companies, it can be workers' enthusiasm to work, willingness to cooperate with and provide extra effort. In construction companies, it can be workers' enthusiasm to work, willingness to cooperate and provide extra effort when needed. Such can be dependent on factors like fair wages, job security, safety and respectful work environment, recognition and motivation, promotions and leadership styles, etc. The morale enhances the efficiency, quality, teamwork, safety and reduces labor turnover. So the good example for morale can be a motivated site team works willingly extra time to meet the slab casting deadline. That shows the high morale of the team. So when the morale is high of a team, that is high morale, the productivity is high, accidents low, team cooperation is high, job satisfaction is also high. But in the case of low morale, the productivity is low, accidents rise to high, team cooperation is low and job satisfaction is also low. So that is about morale. And moving to the third topic of this video, delegation. A process of assigning responsibility and authorities from a manager to subordinate to complete a task, while the final accountability remains with the superior, that is, a manager. In construction companies, a project manager assigns tasks to the site engineers. The site engineers assign to the supervisors, and the supervisors finally assign that work to the workers. But ultimately, the project manager remains accountable and answerable to their higher authorities for the work they have assigned to the workers at the end. There has to be match in responsibility with authority, a clear communication of expectations, empowerment of others with micromanaging. Delegation plays a major role by reduced workload for the managers, and it helps them to develop the skills of subordinates. It ensures better control on the site. For example, if a manager has to handle everything, then there is a chance of delays. But with delegation, the task or the work is divided with the people underneath the manager's authority. So the final topic of this video, or the first unit of construction technology and management, is accountability. Accountability is being answerable for actions, decisions, performance, result, especially when responsibility or authority has assigned. In construction companies, the engineers are answerable for delay progress. The project managers are answerable for cost, time and scope. The more the accountability, the more it leads to ensure the quality and safety. It improves discipline. It promotes trust and reliability. It enhances transparency and leads to better project control. So that is about accountability. So we have completed all the 4 topics of this video. So in this video, we have discussed what is meant by ethics and what are the basic ethics that a construction company should have in their team, and what are the benefits we are going to get by following those particular set of ethics. And we have also discussed the morale or morals that in general a team should have or an individual should have in the working environment. And then we have moved to the delegation, that is a process of assigning responsibility or work from a higher authority to a lower authority. We have discussed how the responsibility moves from the higher authority to lower authority, and how the work is done, and who stays responsible at the end ultimately. At last, we have discussed what is meant by accountability and what are the benefits of accountability. That's it. So that is all about ethics, morale, delegation, and accountability in construction technology and management. It comes under the third year first semester in R23 regulation of Jntu A syllabus. So with this one, we have successfully completed the first unit of construction technology and management. So I hope you have understood the concept. So in our next video, we'll be starting another subject. In that, we'll be discussing the Jntu A syllabus. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe and keep learning.